Hello everyone, today I have my July Allure Beauty Box. Now this is a $15 a month box. Always comes with a little pamphlet here and it tells you about the products. And like that. First thing I am pulling out is from Ose, don't know. That's what it is. It's an ocean cleanser, mineralize and balance. And then on the inside it says, seaweed looks good on you. And this is what the bottle looks like. And I think this is a glass and it's a nice little sample. Well, deluxe size. And this says the full size is $48. And if you enter Allure 15 at checkout on their website, you'll receive $15 off your order of $90 or more. And it's valid July 1st through September 1st, 2020. And one of the people from Allure says that my skin is on the dry side, so the wrong face wash can leave my face uncomfortably tight, red, and in need of a thick moisturizer. But I've also got new oily patches on my chin and forehead that need something stronger than my usual cleansing routine. So I gave Ocean Cleanser with a mix of hydrating and clarifying oils a go. It neutralized oil on my T-zone, hydrated my dry cheeks, and left my skin glowing. It contains lactic acid, a gentle exfoliator. I loved how the gel melted into a silky foam and had a refreshing citrusy scent, and its cooling sensation was much appreciated after a sweaty run or a long, stuffy day in front of my laptop. And that was from Taylor Shea. She is an editorial business manager. The next thing I'm pulling out here is from Sunday Riley, and it's Ice Creamide Moisturizing Cream. That's what it looks like. It's just a little baby sample, and that's what it looks like on the inside. Smells nice. And it says that the full price is $65, and Devin Abelman, the beauty editor, says if you could bottle glowy dewy radiance, you'd arrive at this moisturizer from Sunday Riley. On first glance, it reminds me of icing because it's thick and smells like vanilla, but this cream melts into your skin as fast as a serum. It's really good at hydrating dry complexions, even the rough scaly spots. The formula is loaded with ceramides, which strengthen the physical barrier that keeps moisture in the skin. Last summer, I packed it for a trip to Belize. After 2 days on the ocean, I was dry and worried I'd become as flaky as a croissant. I covered my face and shoulders with this stuff, and it worked quickly to nourish my skin and bring it back to homeostasis. These days, I'm primarily using it at night because it can be a little heavy under foundation. But as the final skincare step before bed, it's, well, the icing on the top. And I said this... Nope, it's a ceramide moisturizing cream. I don't know what I said before, but I know I said it wrong before. And next is from Peach and Lily, and it's a glass skin refining serum. This is what packaging looks like. And this is what the bottle looks like. this says it is $39. And it says enter Allure 10 at checkout to receive 10% off your purchase of Glass Skin Refining Serum on peachandlily.com. And Diana Mazzone, senior beauty editor, says if you run a Google image search on a glass skin, your screen will be flooded with pictures of complexions so glowy they're almost reflective. That seemed a tall order for me, a person whose skin has a sheen more like aluminum foil than glass. But I'm pleased to report that this serum has given my stressed-looking complexion the extra oomph it needed to be dewy. I noticed an immediate glow and a plumping effect that's thanks to the hyaluronic acid in the blend. My skin probably still isn't radiant enough to go viral for its reflective power, but it does look the healthiest and happiest it has in a while. And I'll take that over regrams any day. The next thing I'm pulling out is from Butanique Beauty. It's a butter lip and cheek balm. That looks like. If I could open it. Looks like. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this. Don't know if you can see the color in there. Well, that's kind of weird. Okay, I am gonna open this because just curious. Ugh, finally. Okay. That's what it looks like. There's not much in there, as you can see. That's just glass here. There's no product in there. But anyways, this says it's $16, and Paige Stable's beauty editor says blush is the unsung hero of my makeup bag. It can make everything better in seconds. That is, if you find the right formula and apply it strategically so skin appears sun-kissed, not sunburned. When I apply this Butanique balm to my cheekbones and outward to my hairline, the vibrant peach warms up my fair skin as I've spent the day at the beach, without all the UV exposure. I also layer the sheer but buildable formula on my lips. The long list of moisturizing oils, apricot, coconut, grapeseed, and pomegranate, keeps my lips soft, never sticky. To finish, I apply the tint across my eyelids for a subtle wink of color. For those of you keeping track, that's a full monochromatic makeup look using just one product. No matter where you decide to put this balm, the result is the same, a fresh, hydrated flush. And then there's just a thing here talking about the Peach and Lily product. And here is from Referral, and it's an acne cover patch. And there's 8 of them. And I think this is just a little freebie thing, so that's cool. And the last thing is this charcoal pore care Lapcos sheet mask, I think. That's what it looks like. And it says it's $3, and the little expert here says a lot of charcoal detox masks leave your face downright thirsty. They're often too much for my skin, but this is the rare one that I don't have to follow with hyaluronic acid. This sheet mask pulls dirt out of my pores with a charcoal powder, but it's also soaked in a serum that balances clarifying ingredients: salicylic acid, tea tree oil, with hydrating ones, sodium hyaluronate. After peeling it off, the pores on my nose, which seemed to be perpetually packed with dirt, were barely visible. My complexion looked brighter, and my face felt hydrated, not parched. And that's from JC. And that is all I have in my July 2020 Allure Beauty Box. I'll see y'all later. Bye.